In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in Blender using the Align Objects tool. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along smoothly. First, make sure you're in object mode so you're working with entire objects rather than individual vertices. Now, select the objects you want to align, hold Shift and click each object in the 3D viewport to add them to your selection. As you do this, remember that the last object you click becomes the active object. While some alignment methods rely specifically on that active object, the tool we're using today aligns based on the overall selection, but it's still good practice to be aware of which one is active. Next, let's open the Align tools. Press F3 to bring up Blender's search bar. This is a quick way to find almost any command. Start typing Align Objects, and when you see it in the results, select it. The moment you run it, Blender activates its built-in alignment options for the current selection. Now look to the lower left corner of the 3D viewport for the Align Objects panel. If you don't see it, press F9 right after running the command to bring up the last operation panel. This is where you choose exactly how the alignment happens. You'll see options for the X, Y, and Z axes. Pick the axis you want to align along. X is left to right, Y is front to back, and Z is up and down in Blender's default orientation. Below that, choose the type of alignment, minimum, center, or maximum. Minimum moves all selected objects so their positions on the chosen axis match the lowest value among them, essentially pushing them to the earliest point along that line. Center lines them up at the midpoint, which is perfect when you want everything stacked neatly along a shared center. Maximum snaps them to the highest value along that axis, pushing everything to the far end of the selection range. The instant you choose one of these, Blender snaps all selected objects to the same coordinate on that axis while keeping their other coordinates unchanged. Take a moment to orbit the view and confirm everything is aligned the way you expect. If you want to try a different axis or type, just adjust the options in the same panel while it's still visible. And if you make a choice you don't love, a quick undo will put you right back. That's all there is to it. You selected your objects, opened the Align Objects tool, chose your axis, picked minimum, center, or maximum, and let Blender do the heavy lifting.